Alright, so there's a brand new wig cheat code that is blowing up right now, and it's like nothing I've ever seen before. It's supposed to help your wig stay in place all day long without. So to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, I ended up picking up this wig from RPGSHOW. This is their Dominic 36 wig. It's a beautiful blonde wig. It's 20 inches long, 100% human hair, and it has a pre-plucked hairline. It also has a flexion. And inside of the cap, it's a 13x6 glueless fit, and it has a nude face scalp on the inside. So it literally looks like your own scalp. That's why this upgrade that everybody's talking about is the cheat code to having a wig that fits perfectly without having to actually measure. So let me show you guys the inside of this cap and exactly what I've been talking about. Let's spill the tea finally. So this is the brand new Fit Lock drawstring. It's hidden little cinch. Whenever you tighten the wig, it automatically like molds to your body. So it's like almost like a corset, like it just molds to your head. That means the transparent Swiss lace lays super flat onto your forehead and the temples, and the wig simply just does not budge. And that's why you're supposed to be able to put your hair up into a ponytail without anybody being able to notice that it's a wig, because it's so like tight to your head that it gives that illusion of natural hair. Now let's test this all out and see if it's actually real. Okay, so I'm going to put on the wig and we're gonna test this out, but honestly, tell me another wig company that's doing this. I haven't seen one, so I'm really excited to see if I can put my hair up into a ponytail. All right, so this is what the wig looks like on. It looks so pretty. I love the color. I'm gonna pull up maybe some curls into it later, but this little wave is so beautiful. It's stunning. I love that there's roots. It keeps it natural because underneath my hair is roots, and I really, really like this. It's not too much roots. It's the perfect blend. The hairline looks so good. The scalp, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna test out the first one. You're supposed to be able to like move around in like your daily task and it not budge, not move without any type of glue. Honestly, I feel like I have glue because of how the wig is just like holding on to my head. It really is just like stuck there, but I feel so odd whenever I do this, but I'm really trying. Now we're gonna get into the part that I'm very hesitant on, and that's the ponytail. That's where I'm like, all right, so to brush it, ew, this is dirty. So to brush it, I'm going to use this type of comb. It has a little bit of like this kind of boar brush stuff, but it's like vegan, so it's not real. And I'm going to brush. You don't see the back. It is puffy in the back. I would leave that. I cannot believe this actually worked. I think this is amazing. I did not expect this. Like, let me just move. It still looks good. And because I have like these little baby hairs actually that are natural, I could even pull out my own, maybe to create that natural type of look as well. So I'm just going underneath the wig and pulling it out. And like, even if you had like this into a clip, I think it would look really good. This is like the perfect, I understand now why like everybody's going crazy about this, because you can actually wear it into a ponytail and not have your lace lift or do anything. All right, so this is what it's looking like outside. Really pretty blonde. It's very natural. The roots too are very natural. It doesn't look odd or bad at all. I find it so pretty. Actually, it looks a lot prettier outside than with my lighting in front of the window. If you guys want this wig, I will leave it linked down below. I'll even put a QR code here. And if you've been wanting a wig where you could put it up into a ponytail, maybe this was the cheat code for you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, guys.